Good morning. Monday morning, November 2020. I'm just really sitting thinking this morning about how I was thinking, feeling, what I was believing, planning in November 2019 for the following 12 months. And I think, definitely wasn't planning for all the things that happened this year. Actually, that's not strictly true. Some of the business stuff I was planning happened. So, some of it was going to happen hell or high water, as they say. But some of it, no, I wasn't planning at all. What were you planning for 2020? Just think back. Did you plan any of the things that have happened in your love life, personal life, health life, work life, business life? No. It's been a lovely moment of reflection this morning because I just think, gosh, this time last year, I was living alone in Northamptonshire. I was single. My business was doing really, really well. I hadn't launched one of the things I wanted to really launch, which was my academy. I wanted a dog badly. Some of you remember all the things I was saying. I really wanted a dog badly. I was posting pictures of puppies and dogs and rescues and lots of things like that. And I really, really wanted that. I also knew I didn't want to live in Northamptonshire anymore. I'd previously, the year before, with an ex-partner, been looking to move to Scotland. But I realised it wasn't really to do with the partner. It was to do with the fact I wanted to live in the beautiful Scotland because it was on the coast. And so I wanted to live near the coast. And so in February, before lockdown, before this ridiculousness that's happened this year all happened, I was starting to think about how I could make those things happen, how I could plan. And I realised I needed to be able to see it in my head. I needed to be able to feel it in my heart. I needed to be able to breathe it and be it. I had to believe it before I could achieve it. And I realised that for the last, 4 years, maybe 5 years, every December, I run a session, a coffee and coaching masterclass session called See It, Believe It, Achieve It. And I realised I had to do my own version of that. So that was early this year. Because if you can't see it, you can't believe it. You definitely can't achieve it. Think of the things you don't believe will happen. Guess what? They probably won't. The things you do believe will happen, you'll put energy and effort towards, and they will happen. And so here I am, November 2020, living in the house of my dreams, truly. Beautiful, big house, lots of land in Norfolk, not too far now from the coastline. We can go there quite easily. I have 3 dogs, one of which is a 6-month-old Bichon puppy. I have a partner I adore, like I live every moment with, and literally can't get enough of each other. And my business, I launched my academy in the middle of the year and had 30 founder members join pretty much overnight. And I'm about to launch some more stuff, and I'm just thinking, gosh, when you really start to see it and feel it, bring it alive in your mind and your heart and your life, and really visualize yourself in that world, it becomes true. It becomes real, it becomes reality. Your brain has to believe it's true if you think about it as being true. If you think about just popping into I remember all my visualizations, and I did this for about 3 weeks, and then all my dreams came true. So, the power of manifestation, whether you believe it or not, give it a go. What have you got to lose? You may as well think about nice things. You may as well think about positive, powerful, amazing, fun, loving, gorgeous things as all the fear and shit stuff that you probably spend most of your time thinking about. So you may as well change what you're thinking to be future forward facing, to be powerful and positive and joyful. You may as well. Worst case scenario, it's just a nice little dream, right? It is manifesting. Indeed it is. Manifesting on a high order. Start to think about what you really, really, really want. And I'm not talking about earning £1 million. Yes, that's lovely. That would be lovely, wouldn't it? But actually, if it is about earning £1 million, what would you do with it? Quid, for those that are watching from across the pond, is pounds. What would you do with it? How would you spend it? What is it for? I think of manifesting a little bit like the bank. If you went to the bank for a bank loan for your business, you would have to explain to the bank what you wanted it for and how you were going to repay the bank. And I think of it a bit like that. So I'm like, I have to justify everything I want, what I'm going to do to pay it back, and what's in it for the bank. So what's in it for the universe? When I have exactly what I want, I can serve at a much higher level. So a bit woo-woo maybe for a Monday, but it's true. True story. None of us would have thought this was going to happen. None of us. But it has. Somebody somewhere was manifesting more time to themselves, more time with family, maybe a complete career change, a business change. And if enough people will manifest in that, it happens. Whatever you believe about what's going on right now. Lots of stuff going on in the world. So if you want to know more about this and you want to do more of this, I'm running my See It, Believe It, Achieve It workshop at the beginning of December. And it's free. So it's free to come and realise your dreams. It's free to come and manifest and understand exactly what you want. And it's not just a case of, oh, I'm going to think about it. I'm going to program your brain. So I'm an NLP master and trainer. I'm going to program your brain to believe it's true, to think of it as reality. Because once you think of it as reality, it is. It just is. My reality now is that I have all these amazing clients who thank me every day for changing their lives. And it's reality, right? So whatever you think about, you bring about. It's an NLP presupposition. Whatever you think about, you'll bring about. What you focus on grows. There's so many of these I could say, but it's so true. So what are you focusing on that is growing? What are you thinking about and bringing about? You're thinking, oh, I haven't got enough money, I haven't got enough clients. Oh God, I don't like what I'm doing. I don't want to do it today. It's Monday morning. And you're thinking, oh God, Monday morning, back to doing this crap. Whatever you're thinking about, you'll bring about. So come and work with me on the first Tuesday of December, 12:30 to 2 p.m. UK time, and we'll help you think about something else to bring about something else. Look forward to seeing you there. Think about what you want to bring about this week. Have a little go. See what happens. It's amazing. See you soon. Have a great week.